video, we finished the analogy. Expression is to blank as fragment is to sentence. Hopefully with the work that we've done, you see that an equation is a number sentence and an expression is a number fragment. This analogy, 3 plus 2x is to 3 plus 2x equals 7, fragment, sentence, is the same as the cat is to the cat is fat. The equal mark gives us the word is. The other side of the balance gives us the rest of the sentence. These are some equations identified with words that are important in our algebra unit. Coefficient is pointing to the 4. Coefficient is the number that's connected to a variable that tells you how many times to multiply. The variable is the letter that represents the unknown amount. Constants are any time a number stands alone without a variable. This exact same thing is rewritten here because these two together, 4y plus 7, is an expression. 4y plus 7 equals 15 is an equation. And these three things are called terms. So constants and coefficient combinations can be terms. Let's look at it a little bit of a different way. Simple definitions that you'll be responsible for knowing. The coefficient is the number used to multiply a variable. The constant is the number that stands alone, and the variable is the symbol used for an unknown amount. This is color-coded. Purple is the coefficient. X is the variable, and a constant is the 7 in this example. 2 more vocabulary words. An operator is the symbol that tells us what to do with the values. Plus, minus, times, divide. Those are operators. And the term is the constant or the coefficient with its variable. The term is the set of numbers together that you do something with in an equation. Here's a chart we're going to complete together, and then you're going to complete 4 more equations for show what you know. Is it an expression or equation? We'll write that here. What's the variable? What's the constant? What's the coefficient? What are the terms? What's the operator? So, let's see how we do. 3xy equals 12. Because it has an equal mark, because it has something on both sides, it's balanced, we're going to call it an equation. EQ for short. What is the variable? Here, there are 2 variables. They're multiplied together because they're beside each other, so our variable is xy. What is the constant? Which means what is the number that stands alone? A 12. What is the coefficient? Which means what number is attached to a variable? 3. What are the terms? There are 2. 3xy is a term and 12 is a term. Separated with a comma. What is the operator? The operator here is multiplication. Let's try the next one. 9 plus 4y equals 2. Because it has an equal mark, we're going to call it an equation. The variable is y. The constant is 2 and 9. Both of those numbers stand alone. The coefficient is 4. Terms include 9, 4y, and 2. The operator is addition. This operator is multiplication. All right. 16x plus 4y. 16x plus 4y, there is no equal mark. That means it is only a fragment. That means it is only an expression. An expression with 2 variables. We have an x and we have a y. Constant. Both of these numbers are attached to a variable. That means there is no constant. The coefficient, 16 is a coefficient, as is 4. The terms are 16x and 4y. The The operator is multiplication or addition and multiplication. Last one, then it's your turn. 13 plus 3g. No equal mark means expression. Variable, g. Constant, 13. Coefficient, 3. Terms, 13, 3g, plus, and multiplication. Yeah. You should have your chart drawn from the last one. Show what you know and fill in the chart. Alright, let's see how you did. 3y plus 5. No equal mark, no complete sentence. It is an expression. The variable is the letter that stands for the unknown. Y, the constant, is 5. The coefficient is what is attached to the variable, which is 3. The terms, 3y is a term, 5 is a term. The operator is multiplication and addition. 9xy squared plus 6 equals 81. Equals tells me that it is an equation. My variable is x, y squared. My constant is 6 and 81. My coefficient is 9. My terms are 9, xy squared. That's all one term. Then I have a 6 and I have an 81. Operators, multiplication, addition. 12x plus 7 equals 9. Equals means equation. Variable x, constant 7, 9, coefficient 12, terms 12x, 7, 9, multiplication, addition. Last one, 14xy minus 3xy, expression, no equal mark. Variable, xy. Constant, there is none because both numbers are attached, which means both are coefficients. My terms are 2. 14xy is one term, 3xy is another term. Operations, subtraction, and multiplication.